Yes, you there, so good. You're so good, buddy. Yes. Well, you just had a floppy ear. Did you? Huh? What?
If this guy made you smile today, give us a click and come back and hang out with us. Now back to the action.
What's up? Well, come here. You can't go that way. I mean, you can. But come here. Come here. Now. Thank you. Ryder's not playing right now. Come on. You good? I know you want to see your buddy. You do. You absolutely want to see your buddy, but he's not around right now, and it's okay. Well, you just had a floppy ear. Did you? Huh? What? If I learn how to talk proper English, I'll be all right. Did you just have a floppy ear? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Come on, let's go out this way. Maybe we'll come back. Hey, Violet. Hey, Violet. Hey, Lago. You good. Be nice, buddy. Yeah, I saw that walk. Go play. Oh, hey, girl. Hey, buddy. Come here, Lago. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come here. What? Aw, Violet. Hey, girl. Come here, skittish. Oh, no one wants to play right now. Okay. 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 What? Well, come here. What? What are you doing? What? Oh, okay. Fine. Let's go this way. Yes, you there, so good. You're so good, buddy. Yes, you are. Yes. Got the chickens all running away? Are they scared or something? Look at you standing there. You keeping a guard out there, buddy. Huh? You keeping a guard out. Okay. Ooh. Got the chickens hiding up under there. Well, come on, bud. Let's go inside.